How to contact PayPal customer support from mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can contact PayPal customer support from your mobile. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. I will be using Google Chrome. After you open it up, simply search for PayPal customer support. After you search for PayPal customer service or customer support, you'll find the PayPal Help Center. Head over to this website. And now what you'll need to do is search what is your problem related to. So you'll need to choose the issue that is mostly closely matched to the reason for the contact. So let's say that you have a problem with your account profile and setup. Then from here, choose the problem. And if none of that is the problem, you'll always find the message us option, which you will be talking to the AI first. You can also tap on the resolution center or simply tap on the call us button to contact them directly. And that's how you can contact PayPal customer support from mobile. And that is basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found our video helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.